Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Link the Dragon, and today we are working on solving inequalities using addition and subtraction. When we work with inequalities, a lot of symbols come up that we may or may not know. These symbols look like an open crocodile mouth. I found one to help us out. Here's the thing about crocodiles. They always want the biggest dinner. That's why their mouths always face the bigger number. When the bigger number is on the left, we call it greater than. Uh-oh, now the bigger number is on the right. We call this less than because we read it from left to right and we say 3 is less than 5. There's two more symbols you might see. When our crocodile mouths have a line underneath, it means greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. For example, take x is greater than 6. This means we can replace x with any number 6 and up and it will be true. Let's do an example. These basic inequalities are really just one-step equations. If you need a refresher on that, check out my deep dive on one-step equations. Now, remember, we are only talking about inequalities with addition and subtraction. The rules are a little different for multiplication and division, so hang tight for that video. Okay, jumping in. We have p plus 1/4 is greater than or equal to 2. Following our one-step equation rules, we need to cancel the 1/4 out to get our variable by itself. If we subtract 1/4 from both sides, we get p is greater than or equal to 2 minus 1/4. We can solve 2 minus 1/4 by turning 2 into a fraction. If you remember, natural numbers can be fractions if we put a 1 underneath because any number divided by 1 is itself. Now we have 2 over 1 minus 1/4. Our next step is to get a common denominator, and we know 1 goes into 4 times. We will multiply the top and bottom by 4, which gives us 8/4. 8/4 minus 1/4. We keep our denominator and subtract the numerators, which gives us 7/4. If you want to turn 7/4 into a mixed fraction, we have to find out how many times 4 goes into 7 without going over. We will use 4. Since we only pulled 1/4 out of the fraction, the 1 will be our base for our mixed number. Now, we take the numerator minus the part we took out. 7 minus 4 is 3. This is our new numerator, and our denominator stays the same. This gives us 1 3/4. Here's another one. We'll do 2 more. Z minus 5 is less than or equal to -7. Since we are subtracting in the problem, we will use addition to undo that and get z by itself. This gives us -7 plus 5. Tip: when the negative number is first in addition, we can take the absolute value of that and subtract the positive number. If you do this, you must remember to put back your negative sign. This gives us z is less than or equal to -2. Okay, last one. Nice job making it this far. Here we have h minus 6 is less than or equal to -8.4. To get h by itself, we have to add 6 to both sides. The 6's cancel out, leaving h on the left and -8.4 plus 6 on the right. The absolute value of -8.4 is positive 8.4. 8.4 minus 6 is 2.4. We put back our negative, and we get h is less than or equal to -2.4. That's all for solving inequalities with addition and subtraction. Like if this video helped you, and comment if there's anything you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching!